mechanics coming in here. LS swap. Ooh. Got the brake set up on her in the rear. Nice little brake fender. I like this, man. It's clean.
Appreciate it. Come on, bro.
Yeah, man. Nothing much. Let's see what's under the hood, bro. I see you got a red flake in here. There we go. Is it good or is it not good? Oh, it's cool. Got 706 here. This is 153. See what's going on with her. But we on duty though. You said none of the gauges working either?
RPM working.
Just the RPM?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. RPM and fuel?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I think the temperature gauge worked too. I'm not sure.
Oh, she all the way down?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know. I just started my wheel. Battery was dead. That's what's going on.
The battery?
I jumped the battery.
That's cool. Yeah, we can cut it off actually. God bless these LS swaps. They car can't do donuts. Alright, now that I drove this car, bad news. Car runs good. The third gear is slipping, so Houston. Yeah, it's pissing me off too because I was trying to get him to the B-body fist. But that's not gonna happen. Yeah, this mug is super clean. Attention to detail, I like it. Oh, even the little buttons in the back. I'm gonna call you Black Widow. You know what I'm talking about? Call you Black Widow. And his tack is working, but none of his other gauges is working, so I'm gonna get those working. And then these covers I was talking about looks pretty dope. He haven't really got to drive the car. I don't know, the mechanic that did it kind of just blocked him and went on with his own way kind of thing, and he ain't heard from him, so he took it to another guy. The other guy pretty much touched it up a little bit and got it to where it is right now, where it's at least drivable. He did drive it to me. So now basically he just wants me to just look it over, test this and that out to basically get the car looking and driving the way it's supposed to be. So that is what I'm going to do. He has a computer in the inside where the kick panel is on the passenger side, which is not a bad location at all. See that? You can barely see it, huh? Just got to tell the passenger, as long as they ain't 710, they'll be alright. They won't be touching nothing. They won't kick it or nothing like that. I installed it like that on a few other cars. Guru here. What up, though? Real quick. Everybody keeps saying I'm having value issues. Matter of fact, hold on. Now I have, I'm going to make sure there's no noise. I'm recording off an iPhone 8 Plus. Everybody keeps saying that I'm having volume issues, but when I ask the question, nobody get back to me. If you're one of the people that's saying I'm having volume issues, please tell me if you're on a laptop. Let me know if you're on an Android or an iPhone. Let me know if you're using headphones. I don't want to turn the I don't want to turn the volume up and blow your eardrums out, you know what I mean? And I don't want to sound like I'm underwater, so You know what I'm talking about? I feel like a thug right now. You know what I'm saying? I always saying get your cape. I always say get your paper, cuz, but go ahead and get your paper, blood. No, I don't sound right with me saying blood. Get your paper, blood. Hey, man, look, this ain't no gang banging channel, but boy, Takesha got y'all bloods looking bad. 6'9" Takesha? Ooh. Takesha 6'9" got y'all looking bad, but so well. Anywho's though. Yeah, no, real talk though. Please let me know if y'all can't hear me. Please let me know, like I said, what things you guys using so I can kind of adjust. So I can adjust or whatever, adjust all this stuff that's going wrong. But hope y'all enjoying these videos and get your paper, cuss. Non-violent, non-violent. Real talk. Stop all the gang violence. All money green. Oh wait.